Today we got another email from Harbor Freight. It says Roadshock LED, so it's mostly for the off-roaders, mostly off-road equipment, lighting, and stuff like that, winches and stuff like that. So don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, to deals. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Basically, we got Roadshock LED. It says automotive, marine, ATV, motorcycle, art, agriculture. Yeah. Can't talk today or tonight. It says 22 inches, 3,800 lumen, combo light bar for $79.99. That is the coupon right there. It says it does have waterproof enclosure, high strength polycarbonate lens, anti-vibration mount, super efficient LED power, oversized heat sink, powerful RS RAM LED. So I guess it's a higher quality. They do have 5 stars, most of these. But yeah, from what I looked at the ones at the store, they seem pretty decent quality. You know, all the connections are are real good quality actually. So materials seem to be looking okay. It says, well, on this one, by the way, it says limit 2, and it ends at 7/21/19. This one's the 14-inch spot flood combo, 3,000 lumen, $54.99. This is the 8-inch spot flood combo. It's 1440 lumen, $34.99. Then you got the 965 lumen flood or the 1050 spotlight, $19.99 your choice. So you basically have to spend $40. Yeah, there's a lot of people that buy these online, especially on Amazon. There's a lot of guys that buy them at Amazon, so just be careful what you buy. You're not necessarily getting the best deals at Amazon, because I just heard bad things about some of the lights there. So just gotta make sure you read the like all the ratings and the reviews and all that stuff, all the comments that and look at the pictures. Same thing with these. They say they have 5 stars, so look at the. I haven't tried them myself, so I couldn't tell you nothing specifically as in, anything wrong with these or anything downside on these. All I can tell you is, whatever I see here, or if there's 5 stars or 4 stars, Anyways, this is the light bar wiring kit, $19.99. This is the Badland 1200. This is what I want to get. Eventually, I want to get like a car tow dolly and mount something like this. So that'll be another project. I have to get the tow dolly. It's 12,000 pound truck SUV winch, $299.99. And then you got a 2,500 winch, $49.99. A 3,500, $99.99. A 5,000, $139.99. And then you got a 9,000 electric winch, $259.99. And then you got a 3/4 D-ring shackle bolts, $699. I believe this one has a 9,000 pound rating, if I'm not wrong. Either 9,000 or 12,000. That's really important. It doesn't say, but yeah, talking about the reviews here, the reviews on the page there. Oh, it says 9,500 pounds working load. That's what you're supposed to look at every time you're buying stuff like this. Make sure that's the stuff that you need. You got wireless winch remote control, $29.99. This is a needed item here You definitely don't want to be near the winch, you know, the cord and all that, because if an accident happens or the thing breaks, it's gonna go directly to you. So you want to be as much away as you can from these devices. At 3/8, oh, it's $29.99. 3/8 by 14 grade 43 towing chain, just under $20. What is this? ATV UTV synthetic rope and Fairland kit, $22.99. Solid rubber wheel chuck, $5.99. You got the 500 capacity cargo carrier, $39.99, and then you got the 12 by 84 folding act aluminum ramps, just under $100. Gives a pair, yeah, should be a pair. Triple ball trailer hitch, $19.99. A snatchback block, $19.99. Hitch receiver mounts for winches. It's a nice little mount here. $39.99. You got the universal channel winch mounts, $39.99. 20-volt lithium coreless extreme torque half-inch impact kit, to $39.99. These are great. A lot of people from the professional field are actually using these, so everybody's like moving in Harbor Freight, especially the earthquake and the Daytona Pittsburgh jacks. Rapid pump 3-ton steel heavy duty floor jack, $79.99. 4-piece 1 by 15 feet ratchet and tie downs, $6.99. I used these before, they work fine. I haven't had any complaints. I'm not gonna go over all these because it's a lot of tools. It's gonna take forever. These are great cards, by the way. We used to have, I believe, this one for $84.99. There was a coupon out there. It was actually a misprinted coupon. Some people did get it at $84. But yeah, this is a little high. $149.99. It's still worth it, but you know, it's a little high. These are great gloves. I do have them. I have the review on my channel. See what's new. I guess we got some new items here. Never seen this before, actually. OBD2 core reader, $24.99. Read clear trouble codes. OBD2 compliant vehicles, 96 and newer. So I guess you could use that. It's probably just your basic code reader. 2-port USB car adapter, $5.99. It is Armstrong. Never seen this before either. And then you got the one that I just did a review on this. I'll see if I can leave a link up above or on the description. If not, then all you have to do is just put Bauer Inflator Toolhead 147 to look at my videos, because I do have 2 videos on this. So this is the 160 psi cordless inflator deflator, $44.99. That's weird how they raised the price on this. I got it for $39.99, and I believe I used a coupon. Got it for like $35. So yeah, this is the Bauer 20-volt lithium cordless vacuum, $39.99. This vacuum should be okay if you're gonna be using it for light duty use. So far so good. I haven't had any complaints. Haven't heard anything bad about this. However, don't expect this to suck like a rigid vac. You know, 5 horsepower or 6 horsepower rigid vac. It's not gonna have that much strength. It's for lighter use. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and don't forget about Tool Review Tuesdays. So stay tuned for those, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.